Hey everyone, it's me, Chris from Body Nova Fitness Coaching, and we're here today. This is going to be a tutorial on the squat pulse. Okay, I like using the squat pulse to hit the glutes and work the glutes hard because you can use them in a variety of different ways. Okay, you can use them on the Smith machine. Using the Smith machine, you can use goblet squats. Even though goblet squats because goblet squats is more like a front squat. It's going to be a little bit different. There's going to be a little more emphasis on your quads. You can use it with the normal barbell on your back. Anyway, with the squat pulse, the thing with the squat pulse is when you squat and you're squatting to target your glutes, okay? The glutes do not work throughout the range of motion. There's not a lot of tension or stress put on them to work. It's only when you're in a deep squatting position, okay? So if you're down in a squat, you're down in a 90-degree squat, and and maybe up about that much, we're talking about very short range of motion, up maybe a quarter of the way, let's just say to a third of the way, then after that, the quads and the hamstrings take over. So with the squat pulse, you're trying to target your glutes, so you're only trying to work the range of motion where the glutes are doing the work. So you're going to start in the bottom of the squat, and you're going to come about a third of the way up, and then back down, and you're staying in that small range of motion, so you can keep tension on the glutes. Now, if you want to make this exercise a little bit more challenging, what you can do is you tie a band around the knee, okay? And what that does, it forces the legs. In order for you to squat properly, you'll have to keep your knees outward, okay? Or you'll have to keep your legs abducted, which abducted like aliens, you're taken away from the midline. If your legs are closer together, with like a feet close stand squat, not as good. You need them far apart, okay? With the band, there's tension on the band. Your legs have to stay abducted or fighting the resistance of the band to stay abducted, okay? Abduction works the glutes. So you're getting glute work by descending into the deep squat and staying in that range of motion. And you're getting extra glute work if you're using the band because you have to overcome the resistance of the band to keep your knees from caving in. Okay, you don't want them to cave in. If they cave in, the band you're using is more than likely too strong for you. So make sure you use the appropriate band if you get this. But okay, so with the time squats in this program, a lot of the times I'll just have you do a time set. So I might say, okay, you got this, 45 seconds, hit as many reps as you can in 45 seconds. Okay, rest and maybe do it again. You can, or you can just go high repping. Like let's say if you do 20, 25 reps, I can cut the rest really short and have you repeat it again and have those glutes have to overcome the fatigue or have to recruit more fibers in order for you to continue to do the work. Okay, that's why I really like the squat pulse, especially if you're into high volume work on your glutes. Okay, great with the hip thrust also, combination of the hip thrust in a workout also, but these squat pulses, especially if you use the band around the knees, okay, not down at the ankles, around the knees, you will get some great results from that. And